Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are still buzzing this Friday. Now, double Olympic medalist Letsile Tebogo and his Botswana teammates were celebrated with overwhelming enthusiasm upon the return home on August 14. The athletes received a hero's welcome, complete with a water salute as their flight landed and a grand parade through Gaborone, and President Masisi declared a half-day public holiday to honor Tebogo, who made history by becoming the first African to win gold in the men's 200 meters at the Paris 2024 Olympics.
Yes, Tebogo's achievement was celebrated nationwide with over 30,000 fans gathering at the National Stadium and social media filled with expressions of pride. Now, President Masisi praised Tebogo as Botswana's sensation and acknowledged the significance of his victories, highlighting the emotional tribute to Tebogo's late mother. Now, Tebogo's historic win over other notable athletes like Noah Lyles solidified his place as a national hero and an iconic figure in African athletics. Let's take a look at the video.
This is an older picture of him.
It's coming. It's coming. I love that. I love that, and I feel like that's how it should be. And I feel like so because in Jamaica we are so. This is like a Tuesday for us, isn't it?
Well,
winning gold is like Tuesday.
Well, before we get to Jamaica though,
okay,
let's watch it. Like, I watched this video and goosebumps. Like, I feel it. Like, I mean, just celebrating good things. I know the impact of one person can have on an entire nation. This is a whole country coming out to celebrate their athletes, you know.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? And of course, Tebogo is at the top of the list.
Yeah.
But it's a wonderful thing to know that you put in the time, the effort, and it's appreciated by a nation.
Yes.
It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, because Usain always say like, or people have commented on Usain Bolt saying like, yo, this man I trained for 10 years and for 10 seconds.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And Tebogo also said that Usain Bolt was a big idol for him.
Of
I
course.
also saw in the interview when he was like, when I asked him if he's going to be the face of athletics, and he was like, he said he was too shy for that. He doesn't talk.
He's too shy. He's not.
I was trying to be nice, Doctor.
He's not
trying to be nice.
No. I mean, it's a quote. He said it, so it's not like you're misquoting him. He said he's not as loud and arrogant as Noah Lyles to be the face of athletics. No, but he's not.
He said he's so quiet. He's quiet.
He said he's not as, so he may not be quiet. But I mean, but just celebrate what them celebrate, especially how Africa is sometimes viewed. The great continent of Africa is sometimes viewed as marginalized, and anything coming out of Africa is not good. But we
populate the change that? No, or they've been changing for a while. Because now, there's sprinters though. Africa is coming. But I tell everybody, say like, yo, Africa is just another stop on the train drop off, on the ship drop off. You know what I mean? So we're all the same.
But in comparison to Jamaica and how we celebrate our athletes, while we have been spoiled by Merlin Ottey, Juliet Cuthbert, Donald Quarry, Herb McKinley, Asafa Powell, Arthur Wint,
Johan
Usain
Blake,
Bolt, Shelley and Fraser Price, Elaine Thompson, right? We have been spoiled.
It's true. It's how we spoiled when I appreciate it.
Yes, so for every gold medal, for every medal, we get spoiled.
True.
For every gold medal, we get spoiler. If for every world record,
we get spoiler.
It's spoiler.
Spoilers, yeah.
It's only to go 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Yeah. So what else are going on with Tebogo?
So, I mean, speaking of Tebogo, along with his historic celebration, their historic celebration, we have a smaller but equally important celebration to share one of a father's devotion. Let's take a quick look.
Ooh.
Let's have a quick look at this touching video.
You gonna let me sing to you, mommy? You gonna let me sing to you? You ready? You ready, mommy? Let me tell you something. Mommy. My whole life has changed. Mommy. Since you came in, I knew back then you were that special one. Mommy, I'm so in love, so deep in love. Mommy, you make my life, baby. You're so sweet. Mommy, no one can bring. I'm glad you came into my life.
I think that's such a cute. Look at Dofton's face, please. I think Dofton is echoing my sentiments. It was really, really cute until he started singing. It still was cute, but the baby was cute.
The baby don't know no better.
It don't matter.
So I don't mind you singing to her now, but why record it and post it?
That's a whole other conversation.
AI your voice, bruh.
You know what I mean? Auto-tune.
Play over.
You know.
Just play the track. Just
but
play
you see, little girls and their dads. Little girls and their dads.
I'm a general.
Listen, the sweetest thing. And you know, say you have a little girl, so you're a girl dad too. So but no, say in your privacy, you're there. My whole world has changed.
No, she.
We know you do.
No, I'm not going
We
there.
know you do.
If I start singing right now,
go through your phone. We're gonna find it. We're gonna find it on your phone. On that note, we're gonna find it.
She said stop.
She said stop, Daddy. Please don't. My ears out. Daytime now be right back with Vibe. And Grace is bringing the taste that moves us with their family, food, and fun event. Don't want to miss it. This will come.